Boats Academy. Today we will discuss about what is digital marketing. Before we move to digital marketing, first let us know about what is marketing. So if we see this picture, so marketing means out of the total audience, you have to select your target group. Now what is your target group? Target group is the people who can be your potential customer. For example, if you are running a jewelry shop, so and you are mostly handling with bridal jewelry, so basically your target group would be, and it's in Kolkata, so your target group would be Kolkata women from the age of 21 to 28 or 30 who are having a chance that they would like the bridal jewelry. So this is your target group. Another example, for Seven Boats Academy, we are providing digital marketing training. So our target group would be those working professionals or MBA freshers who have already the idea about marketing and they want to enhance their career into digital field. So our target should be those students group and those entrepreneurs, business owners who want to upgrade their skill set. So this is called the target group. So the marketing means you have to create awareness about your product, service or business among your target group and convert them into leads. Now what is lead? Lead means when they have got the right information, then you have to generate the desire, want and need in your target group, and then there is a chance that they would be very keen to purchase, to buy your product or service. So that is called a lead. Now in digital area, how to create awareness? To create awareness, you have to provide right kind of content, because in traditional marketing there is a scope that we can meet face to face, we can convince our prospects, but in digital marketing you cannot meet face to face. Everything you have to deal with website, web application, and in any website the first thing, the most important thing is the content. And that content does not mean only the text, it can be a variety of things like text, document, PowerPoint presentation, PDF, ebook, webinar, infographic, videos, podcast, that means audio broadcasting, then storyboards, white papers, live streaming, and there are many other forms of content. So you have to put this content, you have to create awareness among your target group, and you have to create desire, want and need. Now what is desire? Desire means the preference, the liking part. For the first part, suppose you are seeing something like iPhone 6s, so you see the model in Facebook from a share update from your friend and you like it, you like the design, that is called the desire. Now what is want? You see one of your friend, they have already purchased it, now you have seen this, you have touched it and you see, okay, is this quite good, it's looking very nice and I also need it. So this is kind of want, but that does not mean that you have already decided to purchase it or any specific timeline, but it means someday or later when you have money, when you have that circumstances, then you can purchase it. So that is called the want. Now what is the need part? Need part means suppose your very close friend or very close relative or your sister, she has bought it, you have touched it, you have seen it, how smooth it is to operate, and side by side at the same time you are thinking to change your own mobile handset. So that is called need. That means you are now deciding to purchase it. So this is called the step from desire, then want and then need. Take us another example. Suppose you have seen the information of digital marketing course, that is a very booming field, upcoming trend in the market. So the information you have received, you have got from Facebook and you have liked it and you have planned someday or later I would upgrade my skill. So that is called the desire. Now suppose one of your friend, he has shared a status update on Facebook that I am doing my course from Seven Boats Academy and I'm quite interesting, I'm learning it and it's really interesting. So you see this kind of, okay, this course is something interesting, my friend is doing this, so kind of feeling you get that, okay, I also someday or later need to do it. So that is called the want part. Now, what is the need part? Suppose you got a Facebook status update from your friend or a phone call from your friend that after learning from Seven Boats Academy, I got a good job. It's a really great career move for me. And then you think, okay, my friend is getting a good job by doing this course, and also I am thinking to jump. So this might be a very good fit for me as well. So I need to do it, and it should be really fast. So that is called the need part. Another example, in your office, in a team meeting, your boss is saying you have to move to digital marketing field, you have to upgrade your skill set, otherwise your job might be at stake. So you have to upgrade your skill immediately. So that is also sort of need. So by digital marketing, what you need to do, you need to create awareness, and the content should be unique, catchy, very attractive, and information rich, so that it can create that desire, want, and need level among your target group, and then it would be converted to lead. Now there is a role of the salespeople who can convert these leads up to the closer of deals. So this is the fine line in between marketing and sales. Now we are coming into the definition of digital marketing. So we say it's a process to reach more potential customer via internet enabled devices. That can be a laptop, that can be a desktop, your mobile phone, tablet, utilizing various digital channels. Digital channel means any website or web application. That can be your own website, Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, any other third party websites or web app, where you can create this awareness by providing the information. And now what to do? There might be some specific objective for the business. You have to achieve that. The major objective is creating sales, increasing number of leads, creating brand awareness, brand engagement, brand loyalty. So these are the objectives. So the definition of digital marketing would be it's a process to reach more potential customer or target group via internet enabled devices, utilizing various digital channels to meet specific business objective such as brand awareness, brand engagement, brand loyalty, sales, leads for your product, service, business, or individual. Anything can be marketed. So this is the definition of digital marketing. Now if we see on Google, suppose you are searching for digital marketing course in Kolkata. Now if I type it, I see the ads at the very top. Right side, I see the ads. So these are one sort of digital marketing process. I see the map listing here, the names coming at the top. This is also a way of digital marketing. I see the organic listing here. So these are also the way of digital marketing. If you see Facebook, if you see bulk SMS, if you see emails in your mailbox, if you see different kind of mobile apps in your Android Play Store. So these are all kind of different digital marketing techniques that we will discuss after this. So I hope we have made you clear about what is digital marketing, the definition, the difference between marketing and sales. And next chapter we would discuss about digital marketing benefits and the key performance indicators, that is called KPI. So thank you.